If you love key lime pie like I do, you've come to the right place. This is my version of a vegan key lime pie. Healthy, delicious, refreshing, and perfect for entertaining. I hope you check it out. Hey there, I'm Christina Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my version of vegan key lime pie. This is delicious. It's so luscious. It's got that amazing key lime flavor. You're going to love this recipe. And I've tested it like 5 times. So I promise this one is a keeper. So here are the ingredients for my vegan key lime pie. I use soft tofu, lime juice, lime zest, maple syrup, coconut oil, and vanilla extract. That is for the filling. So here are the ingredients for my key lime pie graham cracker crust. Graham crackers, sugar, and coconut oil. One of the things that you need to have on hand is a 9-inch springform pan. It just kind of unlocks like this. It's what most people use for making cheesecake. Make sure you have that, or you can use like a tart shell pan. I'm just putting a little bit of coconut oil at the bottom of my pan. You don't need it really. I'm just doing it to ensure this thing pops out no problem. I, of course, was gonna do something different with the crust, and my husband said, no way, you have to do a graham cracker crust. So here it is, right for you, Jonathan Fisher. I love you. I'm making the graham cracker crust. Hi, Luca. Do you wanna come up and say hi? Come up, say hi, because you want to. Come here, okay? Okay, now, you can't steal a graham cracker, but I love you. So just putting the graham crackers into my food processor. You can also buy graham cracker crumbs, just they come that way. And you can also buy a pre-made graham cracker crust. So we're just gonna put the top on here. And I'm just gonna give it a few pulses. So you just need to just do a few pulses until graham crackers are crumbs. So easy. Okay, so now here we go. Nice and crummy. While this is running, I'm gonna drop in the sugar. There's the sugar. That's all combined. Next is the coconut oil. And then I'm gonna turn that off and just give it a few pulses. Let that coconut oil mix in there. Get your crust really tacky and sticky, okay? There is your beautiful graham cracker crust. So your springform pan is ready, and all you're gonna do is just get this graham cracker mixture into the bottom of the pan, and then we're gonna press it down, okay? You want all of that sticky part. That's what you want. You wanna press it down, get it really compact. Some people like to go up the sides. I'm just gonna do a nice thick bottom layer of graham cracker. So now that I've got it evened out, now I'm gonna press down with my hands just to give it that extra oomph. I'm gonna pop this in the freezer. Some people would wanna just bake this in the oven. It's any method you use, it's up to you. I find that both of them work. Okay, so now we're just going to make the filling for the key lime pie. And I have tried this several times, and I'm telling you, this is the way, to me, it tastes the absolute best. So the cool thing about this recipe is everything goes into your blender. I'm dropping it into my Vitamix. I love this blender. It works great. Okay, so tofu goes in. There it goes. Here's the tofu. All right, there we go, 1, 2. All right. Shake it up, baby. All right, then of course I want to throw in some avocado, not only for the creaminess, but because it's going to give us that pretty green lime color. Here is the lime juice. This took a while to squeeze, I will just say. It's a nice like pastime to sit there for about 30 minutes and get all that lime juice out of those key limes. Amazing. If you can buy key lime juice just already juiced and right there in the bottle, I would say go for it because this took a while. Just saying. All right, then we've got coconut oil. We've got some maple syrup. Oh my goodness, there's the sweetness in this. If you don't have maple syrup, you can use honey. I've done it with honey, it works. Then just a teaspoon of vanilla extract, okay? And then the lime zest. So What I'm going to do is I'm gonna mix this in my blender first, and then I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna add in the lime zest as I see fit, and that's what you should do. All right, and here we go, and it's this simple. You wanna use your tamper and just kind of push down a little bit. That came out so good. It's perfect, light, refreshing, tastes like key lime. I'm super happy. I do want to add some of the lime zest to this. So now we just combine a little bit of the lime zest into the filling. And there we go. So that's how fast and easy it is to make the key lime pie. Okay, so here it is, my key lime pie filling. Oh my goodness gracious, I'm so excited. What I did last week, I put them in my mini tart shells. So I did the graham cracker crust in these little cute mini tart shells, and then filled it through to my fridge, or not through, put it in my freezer, and then I served it to some friends. Everybody got their own little mini key lime pie as dessert when they were over here the other night. So that's another thing. You don't have to put it into this. You can put it into some smaller ones. This is looking good. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours. Very important, you want to serve this when it is cold. So you wanna take it out about 10 to 15 minutes before serving, and then cut it up and serve it to your guests, but have them eat it right away. Don't leave this sitting out for 3 or 4 hours. It will not hold well at all. It can stay out for about 30 minutes, okay? Okay, when you put it in your freezer, make sure it's level. You don't want to put it somewhere where it's like this, okay? So I was just setting it on top of my mini ice cream bites. And I'm like, dear Lord, literally, please let this be even. It needs to be even. Okay, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that. I think the key lime pie is a happy pie. Let's hope for the best, everybody. Here we go. Voila. So for this next step, you want to have some parchment paper on hand. You have to do a little flipperoo. So we're going to take this, and you're just going to do this really quick for a second. You don't really need the plate. I'm just doing it with the plate. And it comes right off. Look at that. Okay. So I'm going to set it there. Gonna carefully flipperoo one more time. It's a lot of flipping going on in here, so. And there you have it. So I love just to get a nice amount of the zest from the yummy key lime onto my key lime pie, because it just makes for such nice decoration. It gives a little bit extra pop. Just put a few pieces of fresh lime, just a little bit of a cute assembly. So there you go, my healthy and delicious vegan key lime pie. I hope you check this recipe out. It's so good, so easy to make. Your friends and family are going to love it.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.